Hi everyone, welcome back to English Like Englishman. Today, we're going to study can. Can is used to describe ability, to ask for permission, or to express whether something is possible or not. The structure is can plus subject plus verb, infinitive. Subject plus can plus verb, infinitive. Now, let's get started.
Can I help you? Can I go out? Can I come in? Can I play outside? Can I see it? Can I pay by credit card? Can you help me? Can you do this? Can you fix it? Can you give me a hand? Can you hear me? Can you hold my hat? Can you speak more slowly? Can you describe it? Can you come here? Can we go there? Can we meet at 9 a.m. on Monday? Can I use your bike? Can I carry your bag? Can I leave a message? Can I take a photo of you? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I have some more cake? Can you let me love you? Can you explain that? Can you open the door? Can you wait a moment, please? Can I speak to Mr. Peter, please? Can I borrow your pen, please? Can you play it again, please? Can you make a little less noise, please? Can you be quiet, please? If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. For more examples and uses of can, continue watching in the next video.